guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. So you know I was in the process of making a studio in my new space and finally it's almost ready, and I thought if I wait till it gets ready now, this video will never get uploaded. So presenting to you my studio tour. One huge room slash hall kind of situation, whatever you want to call it, and I have divided it into two parts. So in the front part of the room I have got my living room जिसका मैंने already tour transformation सब कुछ channel पे डाल दिया है, and in the other half I decided to make it into a studio slash my workspace. So almost all my filming is done in this room. I have got my workspace here. I get ready here every day. I like literally spend more than half of my day in this room. Okay, so I have to show you one of my favorite parts about this room, which is this white dream catcher. Now you know the theme of my entire space is like a lot of neutrals and white. Walk into the room, in the right side here I have got my desk here. I got this white table from Amazon. It's a basic table. The structure is very basic. There are no drawers, nothing. It was actually quite inexpensive and quality wise it is decent only. I have talked more about this in this video right here, and to match that I got a matching white chair. Also I love the all white aesthetics here in this corner, and इस chair में मैंने एक green rug डाला है because I have green accents throughout this room and it kind of like ties in together with the entire room. Let me give you my desk tour.
Something about me you should know, it's a fact, I can wear it, girl. I'm the weatherman.
Okay, starting with this corner, it is my vanity corner. I've got this plastic acrylic stand at the top जिसमें मेरी सारी lipsticks वगैरह हैं. Then here I have got a really cute 2-drawer set from Miniso. Now since the table does not have any drawer to it, मैंने ये set यहाँ पे add किया है क्योंकि I get some extra storage space here which I desperately needed. Now in this first drawer, okay, this is not vanity actually, it is my tech stuff. I have got all my hard disk, my cable. Let me show you like a very efficient way of storing my cable. I like to store all these in individual Ziploc bags and I think ये बहुत convenient रहता है, and cables का like वो जो mess बन जाता है ना, वो problem नहीं होता. Moving on to this drawer which is my makeup. I actually don't have a lot of makeup. सारा almost इसमें fit आ जाता है except for my eyeshadow palettes. So like almost all my everyday makeup is here. If you want me to do an individual like makeup collection, although like I don't have that big of a collection, then please tell me in the comments. Moving to this side, I've got a mirror obviously that I need to do my makeup every day. This is from Miniso. Another really cute organizer which is again from Miniso. Miniso actually has really good organizers. इसमें मेरी pen है, I've got a scrunchie, I've got some beauty blender, I've got a lip balm. I have lip balm literally everywhere in my space. Then it's got really cute acrylic drawers, like look at these. Now right here at the center I obviously have my work stuff, my daily planner, my video planner, and then my laptop. I keep them here. And then moving on to the final part of this desk setup, which is a little cluttered but I think it works. तो यहाँ पे मैंने ये tray रखा है and उसके अंदर I've got a bunch of knickknacks, and then I've added some greenery to it with these fake artificial leaves. On the back here I've got my gratitude jar. Then here I've got all my makeup brushes, and damn, I need to clean them, so please ignore it. And सामने पे I've got a cute candle, my phone holder which I use every time I'm working, and then my speaker again which I use quite often. So basically everything that I need on an everyday basis is right here in this desk. I know it is like quite cluttered, but it's like an organized mess. I know कहाँ पे क्या है, and it looks good, I would say.
Tell me, girl, was it you that was fucking with me?
Now if you look closely behind the mirror, there is like a doorway situation there. Let me talk about that first. So traditionally this room is supposed to be a dining room, hence there is a wash basin also here जो कि मैं आपको भी 2 मिनट में दिखाती हूँ. And because it is connected to the kitchen, there is a door leading to a kitchen for the ease, and I did not wanted that. I did not like the look of it, और मुझे ज़रूरत भी नहीं है उसकी तरह. I don't even utilize that doorway. So I decided to cover it with this mirror. Also do not worry, there is an extra entrance to the kitchen which is the main entrance. वो तो बस एक side में door बना हुआ था, so अगर वो बंद है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती. I used that entrance. Now let's talk about the star of this entire space, which is definitely this like huge mirror. Everyone that comes to my studio na, they love this mirror. The mirror is definitely one of the best parts about it. And like when I moved into the space na, I was very sure कि मुझे एक mirror तो definitely चाहिए. And I got this made from our carpenter, so ये मैंने customize करवा रखा है and I really like it. Moving on, I've got my ring light and I keep my tripod here as well. I like to keep my equipments out here in the open क्योंकि उससे ना और ज़्यादा studio वाली vibe आती है मुझे and it motivates me to work more. This is almost the entire right side of the room and then we move on to the wash basin.
Then she wanna hit me for the visa. So then I had to hit her with the see ya later. And is she the type to do it for the paper?
Now as I told you, traditionally this was supposed to be a dining area. Hence there is a wash basin and like an entire mirrors situation here. So I got a really ingenious idea of how to utilize this area, which I personally think is amazing. तो मैंने बेसिकली क्या किया है ना, मेरा सारा स्किन केयर और हेयर केयर that I use on an everyday basis, all the extra products that I have, like most of the products that I have kept in this area. Now this is a huge area and I'm so grateful that I got this extra storage space because genuinely मेरे studio में ना storage space की काफ़ी ज़्यादा कमी है. So I decided to utilize this to the max. Starting from this bin here, I have got all my everyday skincare. Most of these products are something जो कि मैं किसी ना किसी part of the day में use करती हूँ या फिर like maybe once a week I am using these products. But these are mostly the skincare that I reach out for the most. Now moving on to this side, there are some extra like skincare products जो कि मैं कभी कभी use करती हूँ. Then I've got a really pretty vase here with these green artificial leaves. उसके बाद यहाँ पे मैंने ये बहुत cute सा tray लिया है from Miniso and इसमें I have put in all my claw clips. And then this side I have my hair care product. I have a lack of storage in this area, तो मुझे ना अपने shoes के लिए जगह नहीं मिल रही थी and I thought कि इस area में shoes काफ़ी अच्छे से आ गए हैं. Now this is a temporary solution. I have to like still see if I can find a shoe rack or something and fit that here या फिर like those shoe boxes. तो अब ये temporary है but I thought कि अगर मैं इस वीडियो को और डिले करूँगी तो फिर तो ये वीडियो होने नहीं वाली. So I thought I'll show you as is. So I've kept my footwear there, my cleaning supply and then my dumbbells that I use every day. Also let me show you a very sneaky thing. My yoga mats, all my extension, my chargers are hidden behind this mirror which is like it's nice ना, ऐसे पूरा छुप भी गया सब सामने से and पीछे मुझे काफ़ी जगह भी मिल गई. Now this was the entire right side of the room. Now we'll talk about the front, the main part of our room which faces the living room. And do you know I have not revealed this area अभी तक किसी भी वीडियो में because I wanted to show you exclusively in this video because I'm so proud of it. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Feels like I'm addicted to the losing. Feels like I'm a legend in my movie. Guess you know the real me. Guess you know the real me.
This is my yet another favorite of this room. Now let me give you a close-up. So I've got this chest of drawers right in the middle. So let me show you one of my favorite part about this room and something that I'm supremely proud of. Now if you see here, this is like a very blank canvas. इसमें काफ़ी white था and I wanted to add a pop of color here and I love greenery in my space. So I decided to add a lot of vases with artificial plants, green plants and then clear vases of different shapes. So if you notice here, all these vases are of different shapes. Everything is bought from Amazon. So starting from this side, यहाँ पे 3 वाज है. This one has the same artificial plant that you saw there in the wash basin. Then इसके बगल में यहाँ पर एक और artificial plant है and here I've got some artificial flowers. ये सारे if you can see vases का shape अलग है. And then moving on this side, यहाँ पर एक बड़ा सा cylindrical vase है with this plant on the top and then these Monstera leaves in another like small glass vase. Since I create fashion content, I wanted to keep these kind of accessories throughout the studio. So this is like so cute. I love the vibes of this area. And अभी तक मैंने इसके सामने film भी नहीं करा था because I did not wanted to reveal it. But finally, here it is, one of my favorite parts about this room. Okay, also here at the center, I have kept some perfume. Now this is not actually permanent. मैं अभी confused हूँ whether I should keep it here or not. So you guys tell me in the comments कि आपको ये कैसा लग रहा है.
That you can be so mean, then you go have it all. Is it physical? Guess it's physical.
And finally, the last wall of the room fourth wall नहीं है इस रूम की, because you know it's an open space joined to the living room. So this is the last and the third wall of the room. And ये आपने आई थिंक मेरी बहुत सारी वीडियोस में ऑलरेडी देख रखी है. एंड इस वॉल में एक्चुअली बहुत कम चीजें हैं, so it will just take 2 minutes to show this. Starting with that corner, यहाँ पे मैंने 2 planters रखे हुए हैं with some fake plants. Actually एक fake plant and the snake plant is real. Now I like to shift these throughout the space. तो जहाँ पे भी मैं शूट कर रही होती हूँ, इनको मैं यहाँ से वहाँ ले जाते रहती हूँ, तो इनकी जगह कभी परमानेंट नहीं होती है. But I've kept them and it looks so pretty ना. All white में ऐसे greenery थोड़ी सी बीच में, मुझे काफी अच्छा लगता है वो corner. I shoot a lot of my reels there as well. Like reels वगैरह शूट करने के लिए भी मुझे वो corner बहुत पसंद है. And then the final part of the room, and I would say like a very must have for a fashion creator, which is what is this called? Clothing rack. So this is the final part. इसके बाद मेरा living room start हो जाता है वहाँ से, which you have already seen in my living room tour. तो मैं उसको description में डाल दूँगी. Make sure you check it out. But the final part of the studio is my clothing rack. I got this all black clothing rack क्योंकि यहाँ पे काफी ज़्यादा black accents हैं. And मेरा एक plan था जहाँ पे काफी सारे black frames मैंने एक wall पे लगाए थे, but वो actually मैंने अभी तक करा नहीं है. मैंने actually एक दो चीजें और सोची स्टूडियो के लिए, but वो अभी तक हुई नहीं. And I still wanted to show you the tour, so I thought कि ठीक है मैं आपको इतना सही दिखा देती हूँ. Now whatever the current season is, जो भी कलर मुझे किस टाइम पे बहुत पसंद आ रहा है, या कोई स्पेसिफिक फेस्टिवल हो या मेरी वीडियो की कोई स्पेसिफिक थीम हो, उसके हिसाब से मुझे क्लोथिंग रैक में चीजें बदलते रहना पसंद है. एंड दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट इट. ऑल्सो इट गिव्स मी एक्स्ट्रा स्टोरेज स्पेस. तो कभी अगर एलमीनियम में जगह खत्म हो जाती है तो यहाँ पे कपड़े टांगने के लिए फिर भी बहुत जगह रहती है. तो आई लव दिस क्लोथिंग रैक एंड आई थिंक ये लाइक एस्थेटिकली मेरी वीडियोस को और ज्यादा प्लीजिंग बनाती है, स्टूडियो को और ज्यादा प्लीजिंग बनाता है एस्थेटिकली. इफ यू सॉ थ्रू दिस वीडियो, स्टूडियो में जो बाकी सारे कलर्स है ना, they are like very neutral with hints of green here and there. But this is the main area जहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे कलरफुल कपड़े टांग के different vibe ला सकती हूँ, which is the best thing about it. I can keep it as it is or make it all neutral like this, or I can make it colorful like this. Like even this looks so pretty. I think you get the point. This is the best thing about a clothing rack. You can change the vibe of the entire room just by switching up these clothes. And अभी में मुझे ये रेड वाली वाइब बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, so I think I'm going to keep it like this only now. Like just look how pretty these colors are. And that was my entire studio. So this is my studio tour, guys. Please tell me in the comments आपको कैसा लगा पूरा स्पेस, and do tell me in the comments. Let's make this the question of the day. Which was your favorite corner or the favorite part of the studio? वो कमेंट के बिना बिल्कुल मत जाना. वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करना, और अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है then please subscribe to our channel यार. Thank you for watching this video. I am so grateful for you. Have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. And I want to say one more thing before ending this video. I am so grateful for this space. Like you all have no idea. मैं इससे पहले एक छोटे से रूम पे सब कुछ करती थी, and वहाँ पे like it was feeling so cluttered, और मुझे literally end तक तो motivation खत्म हो गया था of shooting a video, because I was sleeping, eating, working, shooting, doing everything there, and upgrading from that room to this space. It's like a dream come true, and I'm so grateful for this. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Bye bye.
So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late after dark. Take a gamble in Monaco. We could swim with the sharks.